was asked, what's the real deal on the check engine light? And if it comes on, is there a reason for me to panic? And what are the common causes? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Now, the check engine light is actually a federally mandated light, and it's supposed to come on anytime the computer sees something wrong with the vehicle that's going to drive the emissions up. So the idea is to get you as the driver to bring the car in quickly, get it repaired so that our environment stays as clean as possible from an automotive standpoint. Now, is there a reason to panic? Well, most of the time, no. But when it comes on, first of all, just kind of be aware of everything on your car. Do all the gauges look normal? Is it driving normal? If it is, then the reason that's a yellow light and not a red light is it means drive with caution and then just get it in as quickly as possible. If the light's flashing, I'd recommend you don't drive it because that's indicating that the problem is severe enough that it could cause some damage to your vehicle. Now, as far as causes go, that's a difficult thing to answer because there's probably 80 to 100 different things that can turn that check engine light on. When the check engine light's on, there's a code that's set, a trouble code. And the problem with relying on that trouble code is it's kind of like a zip code. So if you give me your zip code, I know approximately where you live, but I need a little bit more information to get to your house. And so when we have a trouble code stored, it can give us a general area to check, but typically we need to do more testing to pinpoint the exact cause. Now, I'll just give you an example of a few things. One, you could have just a loose gas cap. So that can turn a check engine light on. Then we have a number of vehicles in here right now. We have an engine misfire when it's cold. That could be carbon buildup on the valves. It could be a problem with the head gasket. So we're running some tests on that. We have one that the engine's not warming up fast enough. So that's probably going to be a thermostat. We have one in here right now that has some camshaft timing codes. That could be caused by lack of maintenance, or maybe the oil's low, or it could be that something broke, or it could be that somebody worked on the engine and then did not assemble it correctly. And then we also have one in here that has a transmission issue that's turning the check engine light on. So there's a ton of possibilities of what can cause it. It doesn't mean that you need to panic. I will say this. The unknown is always scary, right? So if you don't get it diagnosed, you may have a lot of anxiety because it could be a lot of money, it could be a little bit of money. So it never hurts to get it diagnosed. It's your vehicle. You always have a choice to repair it or not repair it. But if you have all your cards on the table, then you know what you're dealing with. So I hope this has been informational to you. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.